Okay, so another hour. I put everything together, and the washing machine seems to be working now. Um, the thing I learned today is like ridiculous. Just don't listen to, don't even watch other videos on YouTube, and take my advice. Don't remove the washing machine from its place. Just leave it where it is. Take a flashlight and find the drain cup to drain it off. Okay. So here is the drain cup. Just remove it. It's a bit stiff, but because of the lot of fluff and debris and water sediments and whatever else, it's sometimes hard to remove, so you have to pull very powerfully. Now I have it cleaned, so mine goes off pretty well. So just remove the whole thing, the whole cage, and check your propeller. If it rotates freely, which you can try, then, only then, call the service, because there is something wrong, very, very wrong, with the electronics of your pump or the washing machine, because there is nothing else to be broken in the pump. As I've shown you, it's an incredibly simple device. It should be very reliable. So if you see the propeller rotates freely, only with the only power I have to surpass is the magnetic force of the permanent magnets versus the horseshoe stator. So if this works, then, but your pump does not work, then you're probably doomed. You have to call a service. Otherwise, just remove everything which could block the propeller. Then check these little rails you have here and return the cage back to the place carefully. Okay, just screw it inside and you're done. Even before you screw it back, you can check whether your pump works like this. Just choose a program for draining off. Sorry, this is in Czech language, so choose a program for draining the washing machine off, which is in this case in this position, and plug the washing machine into the power. And now check the propeller. As you see, it's rotating freely, so it seems that in my case the pump is working. Okay, so now I will connect the washing machine back to the water inlet and the drain outlet, and I will call my wife. She can use it, and she can use it again. Okay, bye.